Now there is an issue here. Of course the link exists and user can go to about page, but user can't come back to the home page. So how do we do that? The whole reason why we created this layout so that we can use the same header and footer in layout as well. How in WordPress you create get header, get footer, that function gets you the header and footer. Here in Next.js or in React environment, we have created a layout component. So it kind of, wherever you use layout, those header and footer are going to be automatically available. So like we use layout on the home page, same way we'll use it in the about page also. So now we can say, oops, layout, opening and closing, and then we can put whatever content we want to put over here. We imported a layout on top. So whatever layout contains, which is header and footer and this main, is going to be rendered here. And this content that you put is going to be passed to the layout as children. So whatever you put here, you put about here, you put h1 here, you put p tag over here, whatever you're going to put, anything that's inside of layout, this starting and the ending tag, anything that you put here is going to be used or passed as children to this layout, and that children will be injected here in between. So wherever you put this here instead of here, then it's going to show the children is going to come on top and then the header. So take a look. So now you can see that about is gone on top. Why? Because I put the children on top, but that's not what we want, right? We want the children, which means the content between the header and the footer. So now you can see it comes over here, right? So you have the header, you have the children. So what is my children? My children is about page. So that's on the about, but if you go onto the home page, so I'll go like this. The children is actually, this is my content. The children is no longer about. Why? Because it's going to use the index page children. So what is there in the children? This is the children. Remember I spoke to you about it's not going to consider the head because head is not supposed to go inside of the body. The head is supposed to go inside of the head. So it's not going to consider this part. So whatever you put outside of the head but inside of the layout between the starting and the closing tag, opening and the closing tag, is going to be injected there. So now you can see that it's gone ahead and injected that this is my content over here between the header and footer. Why between the header and footer? Because that's where we're asking it to. If I change this location, make it here, now you'll see it will change and put that at the bottom. But again, that's not what we want. So you get the idea that what's the benefit of using layout? By using layout, I don't have to rework. I don't have to write this piece of code everywhere on all the pages because I'm going to need the header and footer everywhere anyways. So why am I supposed to write it? Why I have to do copy paste? So that's the advantage of layout. So I created a component that I can reuse elsewhere. What does it do? I have already explained. It's basically whatever you're going to put inside of the layout is going to render that and also pass the content of this as children to that and render it dynamically. So it can be different for different pages. Now we do have an option to go to the about now, as you can see, and on about, because we use layout, now we have the header and footer available as well. Um,